This is Toxic from Ops Airsoft, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the inner barrel of the G&G CM16. So first off, you're going to want to make sure that you don't have a mag in and you remove your battery. Alright, so once you do that, there's going to be a little pin right here, the front pin. You're going to want to pop that out. As you can see, I popped it out right here. Now you slide the upper from the lower, and you can put your lower receiver aside. So after you remove your upper and lower, you remove your inner barrel like so. Just slide it out, and here's your inner barrel. This is the stock G&G inner barrel. I'll be changing it for a KWA inner barrel type bore. So first off, there's going to be a little clip right here. You're going to want to pop that out like so. Don't lose it. And you can slide your hop-up off like so. And it will expose your hop-up bucking and your hop-up crown. So you move both of those. And put your hop-up bucking onto your new barrel. So after you put the hop-up bucking on, you're going to want to slide your actual hop-up onto your bucking and barrel. So just slide it on all the way. Make sure you line it up. There's going to be two little grooves on each side, so make sure you put equal amounts of it. Next, you put your crown on like so. Then you put the little green clip again. Now after you do that, you're basically done. So you put your inner barrel and hop up back into your gun like so. Then you put your upper and lower receiver together. And now you have a new inner barrel for your G&G CM16.